take tonight, and see the results in the morning. Slimming recipes are becoming more popular because everyone is interested in losing weight. If you are looking to take away some overweight or simply offset the effects of a great feast, you want to keep watching. All recipes you can find here are based on natural products and seek to not only lose weight, but also stabilize the metabolism, rid the body of excess toxins and restore the function of the digestive tract. This way you improve your health and is more difficult to have the dreaded rebound effect. If you take this tonight, you will achieve to start losing weight in a few days, with a natural, easy and inexpensive technique that you will see results as quickly as expected. To prepare this drink to lose weight in a few days, you need ingredients that you usually have in your kitchen. You will achieve by combining them get the best benefits. We will use half lemon squeezed, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 250 milliliters water. How to prepare it? First you put the water to boil over medium heat. On the other hand, you put the other ingredients in a bowl. Once the water has boiled, you expect the water becomes warm, and then mix it with the ingredients you have placed in another container. Then you wait to cool slightly and drink immediately. This drink to lose weight in a few days from the start is ideal that you consume just wake up, because it is at the time when the body is more prepared and eager to receive nutrients from the first day. And before going to bed, but about 2 hours after dinner, and if you can go to the bathroom before, preferable. What happens with this brewing to lose weight in a few days is to begin to eliminate retained fluids in the body, by the ingredients you're using.